Welcome for my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you all how to make a butterfly, cute butterfly. Let us see. Take a pipe cleaner, hold it like this. Okay, just hold it, and then what you can do is just do like this. Okay. Now it will be very easy for us to make a butterfly. Okay. So just rotate this. Take the same thing twice. Then thrice. Just one more time. Okay. So by chance if your pipe cleaner is getting wasted and something like that way, you can always try something to make out of it. Okay, so don't simply waste it. So I'm also doing the same thing. I'm trying not to waste any pipe cleaners over here. Okay. Okay, so I can put this inside first. So here there is no need for this thing, glue gun and all, to make such flower this thing. Now I can cut this easily. Okay. So finally our butterfly is ready. So I hope you will like this butterfly keychain, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below.